So did you get it yet? If you did, then you're about to discover something deeply personal about yourself and your trading. Now, this knowledge will transform your trading. This trading journal will pull things out of you that deeply affect you and your trading. Now, likely many of these things you weren't even consciously aware of. Now, the power in this particular type of trading journal is that it becomes your psychological and your physical trading partner. It allows you to connect with the market in ways that build basically tremendous confidence as you see the results piling up. Believe me, those around you will also notice the change in you. You know, the feedback I've received has been nothing short of something quite spectacular. Things like, the fog has cleared, it's complete clarity, personal transformation. The family are so happy with the turning round. I particularly like that last one. It's great when everything works out for the family. Now, using this journal, the knowledge you'll discover about yourself and your trading, it opens up a world of opportunity. And why? Because your trading is transformed into a highly personal and successful outcome. This journal, your journal, it fits you like a glove. It must, by the very nature of how it works. And don't delay. Right now, you can get one delivered to your door for less than $20. I am excited about this, very excited. There has never been a better time than right now to make a start. The results from this journal will astound you. And if you haven't got one already, make sure you get a copy of this. This is a phenomenal book for you to get alongside with the journal. I'll catch up with you soon. Take care. Have a great day.